guys, welcome back. And if you're new here, what I do is try to get a cinematic feel as well as the vlog. If you like that kind of content, hit that subscribe button down there, and then like the video if you enjoy it. Anyways, so today we're gonna go to the HKS Premium Day event held at Fuji Speedway. Try to get a good edit for you guys, so enjoy this. There's some really nice and really fast cars here today. One of the cars that I want to show you that lets you know that you don't need much to be able to start driving on these, and it's this. It's a Toyota Crown, and it still has its stock seats. So that's going to do it for today's HKS event held at Fuji Speedway. I wanted to film some more, but it was entirely too cold. At certain points today, it was actually snowing. So I hope you guys enjoyed the edit, and if you did, leave a like below. If you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you want to see more content like this. The last thing that I want to talk about for today is if you guys want a splash shield like what I installed on my store, on yours, or your SC300 or 400, then now I have a discount code below for jzz30.com. Use coupon code Cbrigs10 and that'll save you 10% off. Have a good day, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.